how to recover FB without email. So for more videos like this, click on that subscribe button and that bell notification on so you'll be updated for some uploads in this channel. So I'll show you guys how to record or recover your account. So click on your browser and search access and downloading. Once you are here, click on the first link of the account or of the browser. So we have here the options like data access and account access troubleshooting. And we will be using or selecting the account access troubleshooting, and as well as the my account has been hacked. And we will go to the help center by clicking the link here and go to recover account if you think your Facebook is being used by someone. And here we are going to log in our account. So just log in your account so that they will know that your account is being used by someone else. So I will be inputting my password here. And there you go. So I was able to log into my account here by using these steps, and I was able to recover it without the use of any email. So I hope this helps for you and you will be able to recover your account, and I hope to see you on the next video on this channel. Goodbye.